Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at another case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, this is the ESR hybrid magnetic case. ESR makes good cases, and so I've been using them before. So we're going to check this one out and see what it's all about. Okay, so here's the box right here, hybrid magnetic case. You see some pictures right there. You got the 1500 gram magnetic strength, 1.5 millimeter thick, 3-time military grade protection. They all say that. All right, so we pull this out of the box. All right, you got a little thank you card there. Some other instructions we don't need there. But this is the case right here, nice and light. It's got a matte side to it. ESR branding right there. You can see that. Open buttons. Opening for the mic. You got your camera cut out right there. That's well protected. And you got openings on the bottom for your ports, speaker, and so on. Now I think this phone has a mic at the bottom over here. No, that's for the SIM card area there. You don't really need that covered up, but openings for the S Pens work pretty good. All right, no plastic on this one, but good grip on the phone, on the case. Let's put it on the device and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the device right here. All right, so nice and slim, and it's got good grip. You know, it's got that clear back, so it's not sliding off your fingers right there. You see that. The matte sides, I'm not a huge fan of matte sides, but I know why they do it, but it doesn't take away from the ability to hold it pretty tightly, pretty securely. Now the lip, it's not too bad. It's raised up some, and it's kind of on the corner. It's raised up a little bit more, so you can have more. You know, it's raised up off the table and stuff like that. So pretty good protection there. And you see your openings on the bottom for your ports, mics, and your S Pen. You can get to that pretty easily. And your mic up top is pretty open. The power button works well, and you see the cameras are covered, right? Nice looking case. Clear back. I like the clear back. I don't like the translucent that much because it's a little slippery. And but this has clear grip. I don't mind the fingerprints, all right? But it looks good. It's a nice looking case. All right, we're going to check out the MagSafe and see what this is all about. All right, so MagSafe works pretty well, and it is charging. All right, so it picked up charging right there laying down. You stand it up, picked up charging as well, and let's lay it down. And it picked up charging again, all right? So charging works well in the case, no problem. I didn't expect any problems there, but ESR makes good cases. All right, so that's a quick look at the ESR hybrid magnetic case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. 15 bucks on Amazon. Not bad for that case, all right? Now, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.